muddy waters. We can call this one the muddy waters. As you can see, the muddy waters is beautiful there. From this angle, it appears muddy, like an army greenish, but it's still just something to this view. This view, still a nice view, still peace, a peace of mind that comes with this view of the muddy waters. So we're gonna call this video the muddy waters. So like, share, subscribe to the Best Vegan channel /nature/fitness channel on YouTube, and share some charitable donations to the channel if you will, if you really rock with my channel. For sure. Till next time, you already know.